Bounce. Hi everyone, just want to do a quick review on this inflatable bouncy toys that we got for our daughters. So here is the box right here. It's a leopard and alpaca, which you can see. Actually pretty cool. My daughter is 4, my other daughter is 2, but of course she wanted to use it, so we just took a little bit of air out, and she's okay. So first off, it comes with a pump right here, and there's a hole right there for the air and the necks of each one, and then just one in the back of this. Very simple. It took like a minute tops to blow up each one, probably 2 minutes max. So it's very easy. It's really nice, made of really nice material. The plastic is very thick. It has a cover, as you can see on here. So that's pretty nice. It's going to keep it really nice. Gives it a cool little pattern, not just plastic material all the way around. It's made with EPA friendly plastics also. It's helps improve motor skills and engaging graphics. Like I said, it's for age 5 and up. Just simple. They just sit on it and they're able to bounce on it. It's PVC material, environmental friendly, and BPA free. Slight plastic odor, nothing anything crazy, which is nice. So yeah, I think my kids are gonna have a lot of fun. I would recommend. I think your kids are gonna get quite enjoyment out of it. Just make sure that we're always watching our kids. You know, don't leave them unattended. As you can see, they can kind of fall on the side if their legs don't reach to touch the ground, like my youngest daughter. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you.